welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make soap toppers out of melt and pour soap, and I'm going to be using this adorable mold I got on Amazon. I have it linked below. Everything I'm using today I'm going to have linked below. We're going to be using Mad Micas, and I also have a link to each color I'm using. I'm using some of the black iron oxide. That's going to be for the spiders and the tombstones, and then I'm going to be using these two purple colors, and one is Harold's Purple Crayon, and I'm not sure what the other one is. I can't see it. But anyway, so I'm going to have everything linked below, and I'm going to get some soap toppers poured. Make sure you click subscribe because I'm going to be making the soaps in the second video. All right, so I put some mica in here, orange mica from Mad Micas, and I'm trying to get a pumpkin orange. Okay, so let's add a little bit, about half of what I put in the first time. What's that? So this is gonna dry pretty much the color that we got. So I'm gonna add a little more orange. I still don't like the color. So that little thing on the top, perfect. That's a good one.
It's cool on the curl.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna make the bats and the hats, different colors. These are gonna go on top of the soaps that I'm making for the Halloween, Hemplicity Halloween box. That is, it's gonna have 3 soaps and the 2 bath bombs I made that we're gonna today. And you get to see how cool those look. The little zombie and the jack-o'-lantern. These ones that don't have the, just gonna add that on there a little bit. And we'll see how these come out, because I'm really excited about this. I've never, whoa! Yeah. Alright, that was a major fail. Alright, it'll harden up, we'll scrape it off, no biggie. Alright, cool, man. Let's do this. I'm gonna pour the rest and we'll come back and check them out. I think I might die from cuteness overload. These are adorable. Only lost 1 stem. And I'm just gonna keep cranking these out because I need a bunch of them. Okay, so I just poured the gray little tombstones, and they did have some bubbles, so it said to spray it with rubbing alcohol, and I did, and it seems like it's good. And these are going to be laying flat on top of the soap, so I'm not really concerned about the backs, but I'm just loving how these are turning out so far. So to get this gray color, I added, so I just put the tiniest bit, and that's good for, I write what you can use them in, so I know if they're only good for soap or for bath bombs or whatever. So yeah, this one, I just put a little tiny bit of the black and it made it this awesome gray color. So I'll pop these out in a minute and see what they look like. Okay, so these are coming out so awesome. I'm just so impressed with this silicone mold. I used this Mad Mica color, which is Twilight, and it is gorgeous. And then I added some black, and it just made it this beautiful blue-black color. Okay, so this is my second batch of hats, and they came out adorable. They are just so cute, these little witch hats. And I colored these with kind of purple. It's really, really pretty. I hope you guys can read it, because I can't. I don't have my glasses on. But yeah, this is really gorgeous. So that's when I did the witch hats in. But they look really awesome, and I got them this black. I tried to use just the mica. However, it would not get really black, so I did have to add some activated charcoal. Okay, so I decided I want to have 2 more colors in the soap, so I'm going to go ahead and mix up this green from Mad Mica, which is called Chromium Oxide Green, and this one is only 1 teaspoon per pound of oil. So I went ahead and I measured out half a pound, which is 8 ounces, because I don't need that much, and I'm going to use half a teaspoon for this. All right, so I did determine after trying to use a double boiler that if you chop this up like it says in the instructions and just put it in the microwave in 30-second bursts, that is the best way to do this. So it's quicker, it's just cleaner, it's easier. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pop this in and be right back, and we're gonna mix in the green and pour these. I did another 20 seconds, so that was 30 and then 20, and it looks like it's good. And excuse the vacuum cleaner. My awesome husband is vacuuming right now. Okay, so I'm gonna say that's about half. So I'm gonna start with that. Stir this up. It will dry a little bit darker, I was finding with the others. add that much more. So. These are super easy to make. The molds I listed below, they're from Amazon. Because this is not getting the green I want, I'm going to go ahead and add a tad bit of the black iron oxide. Actual melt and pour brick I got was 5 pounds. I have it linked on there on my Amazon thing below. It's I can't even talk today. It's such a good deal. It's like 41% off. It was like $18 for a 5-pound block, and this stuff works great. Way better than the last one I used. That one just it would harden up before you could even pour it in the mold, and this one works great. Ooh, trying to stay between the lines. Okay, hang on. Alright, I think I'm gonna like this color, actually. And that should be enough because I'm doing 10 stops. And that's 12 of these. It's more than enough. What else can I make green? Let's make some green spiders since I already started over here. Oh, no. I guess I'm gonna have green hats and everything. I'm making a mess. Okay, don't do it this way. I guess we'll make some more spiders. And try not to make a mess. And see how it's bubbling up? You just need to spray some rubbing alcohol and it gets those little bubbles out. And alright, that was much better. Okay, so since I have extra, I'm just gonna make green bats, I guess. Oh, shoot. Oh, come on, one more. Alright, that's good. It's weird because they change color. The mica must go to the bottom, so these are a lot darker, so that's cool. And real quick, see the bubbles? I'm gonna go ahead and watch. So you ready? And they go away. I didn't do it quick enough. So do it faster than I did it, and then the bubbles will go away. So I'm gonna let these sit up, pop them out, and see what they look like. Then we're gonna do the purple ones. Wow, these look amazing. I'm super happy with this color, and I like how it progressed to darker. I really like that. I'm gonna just do a teaspoon because I want it really dark purple, because the other purple I made was not so dark. Alright, so I get that mixed up. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love this color. This color is gorgeous, and it will dry a little darker. So let's go ahead and get it poured. For sure, some tombstones. I gotta really watch it what it's doing. I'll try not to make a mess of this one. So I can do perfect pour every time. Starting to thicken up. So I'm gonna nuke it another like 10 seconds and then keep pouring. Let me spray these so that the bubbles go away. That one especially. And then figure out what else I want purple. Do pumpkins, why not? I can have purple pumpkin, right? Why not? Yeah, we're still good. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. And these you just have to make sure it fills up the little swirly top. And so you have your stem on there. I think these are my favorite, the purple pumpkins. They are so cute, look at those. Okay, and the tombstones, they are just adorable. I just love how intricate the designs are. So anyway, I have the molds linked below, and the micas linked below, and we're gonna make some pretty awesome Halloween soaps. I'm super excited. These came out amazing. I just love the way they came out, and I can't wait to make the soap. So I'm already thinking about a soap for the tombstones. Actually, I have soaps up here for all of them. These are so cute. I just love them. And the Mad Mica Colors, I'm gonna link every one of them below. And these are just adorable. So come on back, click subscribe, and let's make some soaps.